Happy morning, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. As I promised, I will give you all several videos on aptitude part. I have already uploaded 3 videos. First one is aptitude math, aptitude reasoning, aptitude English. Now this is fourth one, aptitude GK. And today I am starting with very famous personality of India. First one is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and second one from the cricket part, Virat Kohli. I am one of the best admirer for both of them, but for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, I am the die-hard admirer, you can say, and we know them as an Iron Man of India, Loh Purush in Hindi we call it. And Virat Kohli, none other than everybody know him very well in this country or outside this country also, one of the very young famous cricketer all over the world. So today I will take care of three or four questions from both of them, and let's find out how many of you are really aware about both of them. Both are very famous, but about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, even our honorable Prime Minister also admire him like anything, and in his memory he had already built a Statue of Liberty in Gujarat. As we know very well, it's 185-meter long, almost more than 550 feet long, I think so. So let's start with the quiz part, okay? If you are very good at GK, as I told in my all videos, you take this as a quiz if you are very good at GK, okay? Of general knowledge, general studies. Quiz means if you are able to solve any questions within 3 minutes, that is quiz type of format, okay? Otherwise, if you are a beginner or intermediate level, these are the difficulty level 1, difficulty level 2, and I will try my level best to give you all the difficulty level up to 3, okay? But one by one, step by step. And as I promised in my almost all videos, I will be making video for all exams, all private and government exams, including in admission in job, admission interview process and job interview process for India and abroad, even GMAT, GRE, IELTS, TOEFL also. Okay, so don't worry about that. Just wait for that. Subscribe my video so that you will be getting notification for all the videos whatever will be coming to you. And already there are on YouTube more than 100 videos there by me. Just watch that video, mix of Hindi and English, so that you will have complete knowledge, information, exposure that equivalent to learning. Let's start with the first question. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, I have used the short form SVP, and for Virat Kohli, I have used the word VK. Okay. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the very first question, and you have 4 options are there, just like KBC, multiple choice question. First PM of India, first President of India, first Chief Minister of India, or none of the above. I will read the question very first. Or please, I will request, don't try to read on the board. Otherwise, you will be very much confused about that. Okay. So I will request, if you want to read, please pause your video and then read and then try to solve as an expert. Don't worry about that. Second question is, SVP was from the BJP party, Bharatiya Janata Party, INC, Indian National Congress, Janata Dal, and none of the above. Third question is, which one is not correct for SVP? Not correct. Okay. He was known as Iron Man of India. He was known as Unifier of India. He was known as who clubbed all princely states of India. There were 567 princely states in India. There were small states, and those who were known as princely states. And after independence, he clubbed all those states and now become 29 states only. Okay. Then it's a patron saints of Indian civil servants. Okay, India civil servants. He was the first person who established the Indian civil service system in India. Okay, and none of the above. So there are 4 options there. You are supposed to select one best option. Which one is not correct for SVP? Okay. Next, it's related to Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli was born on. This is very important for you all because everybody wants to know his date of birth. Everybody is sending him birthday wishes. All youngsters, especially, just die-hard fan of Virat Kohli. Okay. And VK first played for Virat Kohli. First of all, played for Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, and Delhi under 15 or 2002, 2000. Then question third is, VK selected for India under 19, means for Indian team, in which year? And the last question is, VK selected for international team for which year? So let's start with the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, or Iron Man of India. Okay. So SVP was the question. Number 1 answer is none of the above, because under these 3 options, that option is not there. He was the first Home Minister and first Deputy Prime Minister of India and at that time Mr. Nehru was the Prime Minister of India. Okay, remember this very clear. He was the first Home Minister also and Deputy Prime Minister of India. SBP was from the INC, International, yeah, National Congress, simple, Indian National Congress, not international, Indian National Congress. And which one is not correct for SBP? All the four are correct for SBP. Yes, he was known for all the four. He was known as Iron Man of India. He is known for unifier of India. It means unity in diversity. He unified the India, entire India. He clubbed all princely states of India, all 567 states, and now it's only 29 states in India. And patron saints of India civil servant. He established the Indian civil service in this country. Okay, so option will be none of the above, because it's a not is none of the above, means all options are correct. VK was born on as, everybody knows because he is very famous all over the world. November 5th, 1988 in Delhi in Hindu Punjabi family. Okay, VK was first played for which state? Naturally, he was born in Delhi and Uttam Nagar area. Definitely, he played first for Delhi under 15 team, 2002. Okay, this is the correct option. There is one more option, confusing option. Okay, VK selected for Indian team under 19 in 2006 and for international team just after 2 years in 2008. So this was very simple GK related to difficulty level 1 for from Iron Man of India, that is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and late Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and one of the famous personality, Virat Kohli. So I think you might have got something, you might have enjoyed also. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will be getting notification, because I will be making more than 500 videos on that. Okay, in coming days of in future, wherever I will get time. Okay, don't worry about that, and you will have complete knowledge information. So don't forget to subscribe, share with all your friends, family, relatives. Okay, thank you so much. May God bless you. The happy beginning.